This video shows how to configure a Microsoft Azure Data Factory scanner using Informatica's MetaDex tool. Before you begin, make sure to get your Microsoft Azure Data Factory login credentials from your administrator, create a connection to the Azure Data Factory database and add a new host, configure the connection link to the MetaDex tool, and create a Microsoft Azure Data Factory project and name it. Now we're ready to jump into the MetaDex tool. Log into the MetaDex tool, then select your project. Now we'll create a Microsoft Azure Data Factory configuration. We'll name the configuration and give it a description. For the conversion path, select Azure Data Factory to EDC. Now let's take a look at the Azure Data Factory reader options. The configuration can extract data in three ways: using JSON files, by connecting as the admin user, or by using Service Principal authentication. For this demo, let's select Service Principal, and then enter the authentication credentials. To filter pipelines and activities, we'll provide data in the ADF input filters field. Use the include filter to find items that contain the filter terms. Use the exclude filter to omit items from the filter results. And use a pattern filter to enter a wildcard. For instance, you can enter a question mark to indicate a single character, or an asterisk to indicate multiple characters. Let's add our filter so that the job will process the activities in all pipelines and factories. Next, we'll configure the Enterprise Data Catalog Writer. For the EDC Writer mode, select Generate Output Files. Now select the output directory and enter an EDC resource name. This will be the display name in the catalog tool, so make sure it's meaningful. Great! Now that everything is configured, we can save the configuration and run it. Once you decide to load results into the catalog tool, remember to change the writer mode parameter to load using REST API. And it's just that easy. For more information, you can access our documentation via links in the description, visit our communities and support hubs, or check out our website.